Hello. So today I'm going to be walking you through a dental case management portal that I built using Softr and Airtable. So the goal of this application is to help dental providers track their patients' progress, record clinical reviews, manage intervention workflows, and handle course correction requests in a structured way. But for this project, I use Software as a front-end application and Airtable as the back-end database. The two platforms are connected in a way that whatever is logged in on Airtable is automatically updated on the software application and vice versa. So this is my sign up page. I've already created the account. So let me just log in. But before I do that, so what this account basically, I am currently on the I'm going to log into the admin's application so that you will see, because this the admin application allows the admin to see everything about the patient history, patient's information, dentist history, and all of that. But the dentist application, when a dentist logs into the application, they are only allowed to see cases assigned to them, cases history of the patient that is assigned to them, and only that alone, and that is the only thing they are allowed to see. But an admin sees everything. So I'm going to log in now as an admin. Okay, so this is the admin's interface. This is what an admin sees when they log in. This is the patient's board or the patient's block. This block is all about the patients. The patient's information, history, risk assessment, notes that has been written by the dentist, patient's ID, and all of that. So an admin can click on see more, and more patient details just comes out. Different patients, they can see different patients at any time. And for the second block, this is the dentist block. This block allows the admin to see every patient in the institution or in their organization. Every sorry, not patient, every dentist. Email, the hospital they work with, and or the hospital they work with, and their number, their email, their ID, and all of that. So this is it. Admin can see all of that. He can see more. They can click on see more, and then more admins will open up for them. Then this is the log a visit form. So what this form does is when a patient, after the patient has seen the dentist, or in this case the admin, is allowed to log in the updates on their treatments. So in this simple form, it looks simple at first. It has the tracking status, it has the intervention step, and it has the reviewed by field. So in a case whereby the treatment is going as it should go, the admin or the dentist will click on track, means that the the treatment is going as it should. Then in the intervention, they pick whatever intervention step the patient is on, and they write who reviewed the patient, and they submit. It's simple. But in a case whereby an issue is reported, maybe the dentist finds out that there's something wrong with the current treatment, and they click on divergence detected, the forms open up. So it is automated to click to open up when a divergence is detected, and it brings out the notes they write. The admin or the dentist be able to put down what the issue is, the risk assessment, and if the patient will be needing a course correction, if there will be a change in their current medical situation, and if no, they click on submit, and that's all. But if there is a need for a change, they click on yes. And when they do that, the form opens up again to bring out a field whereby they can fill in the upload the patient's scan, the new scan that has been done on the patient. This is uploaded, and scan note is written down so that they will know what's the next course of action to take, and they submit it. So this is just it's the form works with it's an automated form. It helps the organization keep track of everything that is happening, so that everything is not just shown at once. If this happens and that's, more things will open up. So that's it. And for the last page, this is the intervention tracker. So the intervention tracker is basically where you can see all the outlines of what the patient is going through, their history, risk assessment, their last review date, the status, and their current um, intervention step. This is totally just to have an outlook without all the other information blocking it out. So yeah, this is it for the admin um, dashboard. This is what the admin sees. The admin is allowed to see everything. So I made this in a one interface look so that it's easy to just scroll down and see everything that needs to be seen at once. So let's go over and let me sign out and log in as a dentist now. Sorry for the delay. I don't know what's up. I think it's okay. Now it has come up. So I already have an account, so I will just log in. Okay, so this is the dentist interface. So as you notice with the admin, there were just so many patients, but with the dentist, they only get to see patients assigned to them. That is the only thing they get to see. So this patient, this dentist, sorry, gets to see only two patients. Only two patients are assigned to them. So they get to see only two patients, which is Stephen John and Jane Dolly. So all of the patients' information is here on this block. The risk assessment summary, everything is there on this block. Um, then for the next block, this is the log a visit form, just as the admin interface had. This is exactly what they have too. They are able to log in the visits. Whatever happens, log in the patient's information so that they don't have to go back to manually update this on the back end Airtable table. This they just fill it here. So when a divergence is detected, it opens up a risk assessment and the notes field comes out. And when a course correction is needed, yes, and it opens up for that so that a scan upload can be updated and the scan notes can also be updated. So that is it. Um, then also for the intervention tracker, um, this one has just two. If you notice, it has just two rows in this table because this dentist has only two patients assigned to them. If he had more patients, there will be more intervention information on this table. So um, current the current intervention step is here, the status is here, the last review date is here, the risk assessment is here, and the notes um is here also. So that is it for this demo. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.